Hey guys, today we will know what is a resistor. A resistor is an electronic component that limits or controls the flow of electronic current in a circuit. A resistor resists the flow of electricity, which helps protect other components and control how a circuit behaves. What a resistor does: reduce current flow through a circuit, lowers voltage in a part of a circuit. Example: if you connect a battery directly to a small LED, too much current can flow and burn it out. You can look at the image, how LED is burned. And if you add a resistor in a circuit, it will limit the current and LED will blink. Next, why do we need a resistor? Resistors are used because, first, to protect a component. Too much current can damage LEDs, ICs, and other parts. Resistor limits current to a safe level. Second, to control voltage. Resistor can divide voltage into a smaller values. Third, to control current. They set how much current flow in a circuit. Fourth, to generate heat. Some devices like heaters, irons use resistance to produce heat. Next, Ohm's law, which says V is equals to I into R, where V stands for voltage, I stands for current, R stands for resistance. Thank you.